Hi everyone, Dave here. Did you know cutting down on the amount of hot water you use can really help you with your energy costs? We're gonna do an easy install of a faucet aerator today. It's gonna blow your mind. So the first thing we have to do is remove the old aerator. You don't want to damage your faucet, so I'm gonna use a dry cloth. Depending on how tight it is, you might need to use a wrench. There's the old aerator. Say so long, old friend. We've had a good run. Now I've got my new aerator here. You'll see they come with some rubber washers depending on whether your faucet is threaded on the inside or the outside. I've pre-fitted mine with the correct washer. These are really easy to install. I feel like my life is going to improve drastically. It's a handsome unit. I did it myself. I feel really fulfilled right now. Man, I love aerators. Here's why. They help us reduce the amount of hot water we're using while not sacrificing water pressure. I love them so much, I'm gonna install another one in the shower. The first thing we want to do before we install our water-saving shower head is we want to clean the threads up here. You can just use a paper towel with some cleaning supplies to get the old threading seal off. This is thread seal tape. It's one of my top items. Wrap it in a clockwise direction, nice and tight, and we're gonna go 4 or 5 times around. I think that looks fantastic. Look at this beauty. We're gonna get it nice and tight. It's breathtaking. Boom. A couple of simple changes means we're gonna use a lot less hot water, and over the course of a year, we're gonna save energy. Thanks for watching.